Hello everyone, we are Team Vipar presenting StatForge, an AI-powered smart survey kit. Imagine if building and analyzing surveys could be as easy as typing one sentence. StatForge makes that possible. Traditional surveys are slow to create, hard to distribute in rural areas, and data analysis can take weeks. This leads to poor data quality and delays in decision making, especially for large scale government surveys. With StatForge, you can simply type a prompt like create a survey for rural employment. Our AI instantly generates relevant questions. We can deploy the survey in seconds across web, WhatsApp, and even voice calls, so even people without internet or literacy can participate. As a response come in, our AI validates answers, detects sentiments, and shows real-time insights on a live dashboard. What makes Redforge unique is AI-assisted creation, survey from a single text prompt, multi-channel accessibility, web, WhatsApp, voice calls, real-time AI analytics, sentiment detection, bias checks, and instant error flagging. Our technical approach is designed to make surveys intelligent, fast, and scalable. On the front end, we are using Next.js with Tailwind CSS to deliver a smooth, responsive interface complete with a drag and drop survey builder and live WebSocket updates. For the backend, we are building with Fast API in Python, integrating AI models for automated question generation, sentiment analysis, and bias detection, ensuring quality responses. Data is stored in PostgreSQL with Redis caching for speed and AWS S3 for media storage. Finally, analytics are powered by Pandas and Matplotlib with real-time interactive charts and easy export options. This stack ensures our solution is not just functional but powerful, scalable, and ready for real-world deployment. The impact will be establishment of a replicable and scalable framework for future smart survey initiatives, contributing to broader digital transformation in government and development sectors. The benefits will be enhanced efficiency, better data quality, data visualization, multi-format export, multi-channel delivery, and complete data protection.